In this lesson, I teach you 3 ways to use Baxaaf.
Come let me teach you patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. Now, many of you may have heard or may have not heard the Jamaican Patois word, Baxaaf. In this lesson, I will teach you 3 different meanings and give some examples of how to use it. Number 1, Baxaaf, to devour or to consume totally. This is usually in reference to food. For example, you want to see how me box off the little food. You want to see how me box off the little food. This sentence means you should have seen me devouring the meal. You should have seen me devouring the meal. You want to see how me box off the little food. And now something to note here, in different sentence construction, box off can become box something off. For example, in this sentence, you see the little food, me box that off. You see the little food, me box that off. So depending on how the sentence is constructed, you can have box off or box that off, box it off, and it means the same thing. So in this sentence, this means to devour or to consume totally. You see the little food, me box that off. Or you want to see how me box off the little food. Example number 2, box off meaning to complete easily or to finish something thoroughly. This is usually in reference to like work or a task. An example sentence, then I dis a little work you go on about, 2 your box that off, man. And now we have a lot of new phrases in this one. Then I dis ya little work ya. This could mean then a this ya little work ya means if it's this kind of work, this easy work. Ya go on about means maybe somebody's complaining about a task that another person would find very easy, something easy to do. Then a this a little work ya go on about, then is this what you're complaining about? And the next part, 2 Now 2 in Jamaican Patois means quickly, very quickly. 2 means very quickly. So this part of the sentence, 2 you box that off, man. That means you'll complete that really quickly. You'll finish doing that task really quickly. So the entire sentence, then a this little work ya go on about, 2 you box that off, man. In entirety, this means, is this what you're complaining about? You'll complete it really quickly. And once again, the construction can change as well. Then I this little work you go on about, 2 you box that off, man. So you can have 2 you box off that, man, or 2 you box that off, man. And once again, the man at the end, it doesn't really carry a meaning here. It's kind of like a sentence ending word. Doesn't really mean man, like the man. All right, number 3, box off meaning to box or to hit or to slap with force. In this sense, it's usually used to refer to hitting of one's head or the face. So let's look at this sentence. You see how Will Smith box off Chris Rock face? You see how Will Smith box off Chris Rock face? And that means, did you see how Will Smith hit Chris Rock? Now, in Jamaican Patois, we don't really say hit. So somebody hits you in the face, we would refer to that as somebody boxing you in your face. Him box me in my face, or me I go box him in my face. So we don't really say hit. So if a Jamaican was describing what Will Smith did to Chris Rock, it would have been box off. Will Smith box off Chris Rock's face. And once again, the construction of the sentence can change, and you could have a sentence like this. You see a face, me go box that off. You see a face, me go box that off. It means I'm going to hit you in your face. I'm going to slap you across your face. But I want to show you how the box off changes to box that off. So this sentence could have been, you see a face, me I go box off that. Or, you see a face, me I go box that off. And both of those sentences would mean, I am going to hit you across your face. Okay, so that takes us to the end of this short lesson on box off. I hope you found it informative. And now, please take this time to write some sentences in the comment section using box off. Any one of the definitions is fine. Just make a sentence using box off in the comment section below. And if you found this lesson helpful and you would like to support this channel, please do so by purchasing a thank you sticker in the comment section as well. Now that takes us to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out some of the other lessons that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.